In 2025, Oris and Bamford Watch Department team up to reimagine a true tool watch icon, the ProPilot Altimeter Mission Control. A bold mix of aviation utility, lightweight engineering, and Bamford's unmistakable design language. The case measures 47 millimeters wide and 16.7 millimeters thick, sized to house both a Swiss automatic caliber and a full mechanical altimeter. But this isn't ordinary steel. It's a carbon fiber composite, developed with 9T labs in Zurich. As light as plastic, yet tougher than many metals, each case has its own unique layered pattern. Titanium crowns, bezel, and caseback keep weight low and durability high, while water resistance is rated to 100 meters. On the dial, Bamford brings his flair, a matte black base with bold pops of yellow, lime, and red. Around the periphery, the altitude scale extends up to 19,700 feet, with a yellow hand tracking altitude and a red marker for absolute air pressure. The altimeter is crown-operated at 4 o'clock. Unscrew to activate, pull for calibration, and once set, altitude changes display in real time. Screw it back in, and water resistance is fully restored. Inside, the automatic Oris caliber 793, based on the Altimeter SW300, powers the timekeeping. It delivers central hours, minutes, seconds, a date at 3 o'clock, and a 56-hour power reserve, cleverly separated from the altimeter module by Oris's patented twin-dial construction. The mission control comes on a black textile strap with a bright yellow-green leather lining, a subtle nod to 1980s sneakers, secured by a titanium folding clasp with fine adjustment. Limited to 250 numbered pieces, retailing at 6,700 Swiss francs, the Oris X Bamford ProPilot Altimeter Mission Control lands this September. A true statement piece that fuses adventure, design, and innovation. You enjoyed this first look? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world of luxury tool watches.